Hello, my little friends. Look what I'm making today. First, I draw his cute, shiny eyes, big and round, so sweet and happy.
Help the people on your way.
Wow, look, kids, look. Here comes the little cloud. This is a little cloud. It is so soft and so white. Look, kids, the little cloud is moving in the air. Up, down.
Now I draw his shape, round at the top and soft at the sides. Wow, this is a rice ball.
Little cloud is flying slowly. Left, right. The little cloud is happy and smiling. Can you say hello to the little cloud? Hello, little cloud. Great job, my little friends.
Kids, this is a rice ball. Rice is white, so we do not color it. We keep it clean and white, just like real rice.
Be kind, be kind, be gentle every day. Help the people on your way. Speak with love and always share.
This black part is seaweed, so I color it black. Nice and neat. Wow, our rice ball looks so cute and yummy. Good job, my little artists. Keep drawing and keep smiling. Bye-bye.
Be kind. Be kind.